Hey everyone, how you doing? This is Lamarr from Monument Investment Group. Hey, listen, I was doing my workshop just yesterday, and I had a really wonderful question that came to me that I get all the time, and I just felt like this was an opportunity where I can do a video to kind of talk about this question that get asked to me all the time. And I think it's a very fair question, because it reminds me back about 7 years when I first went on this journey of learning how to day trade. That was probably one of my first questions that I ever had too, before I knew anything about trading. The question is this, and this probably is going through your mind right now too as you watch this video. The question is this: how much money do I need to get started? That's a great question. The only thing is with that is you got to know what you're getting started with, because there's so many ways to trade. You got stocks, penny stocks, options, ETF, mutual funds, bonds, forex, futures. So many things that you can actually trade. You got to find out which vehicle makes more sense to you, far as time and far as your learning curve. Can you get into the nitty-gritty of studying a company, or do you don't want to do the work of studying a company? You just want to make money, kind of flip your money kind of fast, right? So it's all about looking at these different ways of trading and getting that education. I think that should be first. Forget about how much money you need to get started. What you need to find out what market resonate with your personality more, and do your research from there. Then go from learning that particular market of how to trade it, because you can paper trade these markets before you actually put your real money at risk, right? So think about everything that we do in life, right? Usually school and education comes before we actually get into our occupation and make our money that way, right? It's the same thing with day trading or loan trade, whatever you're trying to do, retirement accounts. It's best to get the education first. Find out what appeals to you. That's number one. Number two is get the education around that area, and then talk about the money to risk. What I don't want you to get into is this FOMO mentality. This is where day traders get burned at, right? Don't get into that mode where I'm fear of missing out. You're saying prices are low right now. Everybody say jump in. Stop. There is massive opportunity in the market all the time. You're not going to miss anything. Just slow down, take a breath, get the education, because as quickly as there's opportunity to win, there is opportunity to lose if you rush this thing. So just take a breather, right? The market ain't going nowhere. Right? As far as I heard, I have not got the memo. Nobody have told me anything different. The market is really not going anywhere. There's always massive opportunities in the market. Yes, prices are low right now, but listen, if you have the education, it's beneficial for you. If you want to gamble, yeah, just throw your money at the market and see what happens. But I don't advise you to do that, right? Just take your time and get those steps in order. And I'll say them again. Number one, find out which markets resonate with you. Is it stocks, penny stock, futures, forex, ETFs, options, bonds, mutual funds, whatever resonates with you. That's number one. Find out which one. Number two, get the education. Paper trade it first. See if you got a good trading plan, a good strategy. And number three, then we can talk about funding your account once you get to that point. So that being said, that was one of the best questions that was asked to me yesterday, and I thought this was a perfect opportunity to do a video just on that question, because I know most of you who watching this video right now have that same exact question, and I would tell you pump your brakes for a second and put it in the right order. All right guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. Please pass around to a friend. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And as you can see, I got my Live and Prosper Together t-shirt. On the back of it, it says see you at the bank, right? MIG Suite. .com. You can actually go to our store and actually make the purchase there if you want one of these shorts, wear one of these shirts and support us, all right, as we support our community. All right, I'll talk to you guys later, and I'll see you at the bank. Bye-bye.